We got a 2021 Bowman Draft Light Box. All right, Tommy, thanks again for your patience. Good luck, and here we go. Joey, did you order it for Instagram? Shoot me over your order number. I'm not seeing anything besides these two. Yeah, shoot me your order number here in the comments, and I can look it up. You may have accidentally ordered it for Rip on YouTube, which is not a problem. I can get that switched over if you would like. Just let me know. Paper. Genesis Kusick. We've got Wayrave, Emmanuel Rodriguez, Indians. Mozzie Cato, first refractor. We've got Sky Blue, first out of 499. Ethan Wilson, Phillies. Got Green Speckle out of 99, Ryan Kusick. All right, no worries, Joey. I will get that in. I'll get that in queue for you. Let me write that down. 15629. Okay. Got a Mojica, Sky Blue refractor. Chase Petty, Draft Night. McDonough, first refractor, paper. On home delivery. I don't know. What are you ordering? We've got Max Meyer, Wayrave, Marlins. First refractor, Moeller. Ordering from Pizza Hut. It usually takes less than it probably would for Domino's. Riley Green refractor, paper. I'm just messing with you, Bryce. We've got Wayrave first, Owen Kellington, pitcher for the Pirates. First refractor, Andrew Painter, paper. Genesis Sal Frelick. We've got Manzardo, first refractor, paper. First Wayrave, Austin Love, Cardinals. Autumn Bright, first refractor, paper. Got Invicta, Jordan Lawler. Nice hit there, Tommy. Kusick Draft Nights, Vargas refractor, paper. All right, last pack here for you, Tommy. Red Sox future franchise, Mayer and McDonough. Got Brainer Bonassi, Wayrave, Boston, and Sabato refractor. All right, that'll do it for you, Tommy. Congrats on those hits. Thanks so much, and we'll get this right out to you.